Hey there, so I'm doing a 72-hour sardine challenge, or you might call it a sardine fast. Some people don't like the term fast because you're eating sardines, not abstaining from them. I don't care, call it whatever you want. But for 72 hours, I will be eating sardines and fat and nothing else. That is it. All right, I think I'm gonna start with my beach cliff this morning. I'm going with 2 tablespoons of ghee because this month I am not doing any butter. I am off all dairy. So the ghee is what I have. I made it really, really dark this last time, and so it should be really good. All right, let that melt down. There we go. Okay. Get all that fat out of there. I'm just gonna do a sprinkle of salt. Okay, so I've got my bowl of sardines here. Let me taste it for you guys. Okay. So these are the beach cliff. These are a new one for me. They're gonna be in my top 3. I'm gonna go eat these and enjoy them. This is 2 cans, and I'm starting out with 2 tablespoons of ghee. And I will see you guys back at whatever time I decide I'm hungry again to eat some more. It's 9:50 a.m. right now, first meal of the day, and we'll see how it goes. I just ate my 2 cans of sardines with the 2 tablespoons of ghee for breakfast. As soon as I finished it, I was still hungry, and I thought, let me wait a minute and see if I, am ready for more or not. But I am. So it's only 10:20. It's not much longer. Not much time has passed, but I am hungry. So I'm going to go ahead and have some more. And I am going to just go ahead and have some kipper snacks, just because I don't have to do anything to fix it. I'm just going to eat it straight out of the can. And then I've got me a little frozen ghee bite from the freezer. This one is half a tablespoon. So that bite of ghee was half a tablespoon. I had another one that was a half a tablespoon earlier. So that's gonna bring me up to a tablespoon of fat per tin of fish. So here's my kippered herring. I love the smoky flavor of this. So I'll see you guys when I'm hungry again.
She's the friendly neighborhood carnivore with a talent for cooking up a meaty uproar. From juicy steaks to sizzling ribs galore, she'll have you coming back for more. Fellas, smash that like button. She's the carnivore cooking queen. On your screen, bringing the meaty scene. Come on over and join the team for a culinary dream.